Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can dress like Winnie the Pooh and Dress to Impress for free without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and color it black. And then we're going to wear this t-shirt, this one. And then I'm going to color it red. Okay, then I'm going to remove the pattern. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to wear this boot. I'm going to color it red and make it knee length. Okay, and let's move to the skirt area. And then I'm going to wear this skirt, color it yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this skirt as well and color it yellow. Okay, and the next one guys, we're going to go to the necklace area, and then I'm going to wear this necklace, color it yellow for the first selection and color it red for the last selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area, and I'm going to wear this item, color it yellow. Okay, and you're going to make it short and remove the fur. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and I'm going to wear the coat item, this one, the leg warmer, color it yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this item as well. I'm going to color it brown. Oops, sorry. I'm going to color it this brown for the first selection. For the next selection, make it brown as well. And for the ribbon, you're going to color it yellow. Okay, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the head area right here. I'm going to wear this headband, color it yellow, and I'm going to wear this ribbon, toggle it type 2, and color it yellow. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Winnie the Pooh and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!